Hi guys, I thought I'd make a short video just to show you how you select and how you set up your dual SIMs. Just to show you here, I have two SIM cards in here. One is here and the second one is in here. So I bring it a little bit closer that you can see it. So that's the first one, that's the second SIM. So if you now go and I put just the cover back on it. So if you now go into the phone, how you set it up is you go into your settings and there is one item which is called SIM management. I hope you can see it. So you click on SIM management and then it actually shows you the two SIM cards. So you can turn them on, you can give them, you see here are the two reception bars for each SIM card on top. Hope you can see it. So you can give it different background colors. So I can make it green, for example, and you see this one now changed to green. This is just, to distinguish between the two SIM cards. You can also, if you go back into it, you can also set a mobile phone number for it, so that you can easier distinguish between the two as well. The second thing is you can set up here the default settings. So for example, you can say your voice phone call or your normal phone calls should go through just one SIM card. Same thing with video phone calls, messaging and data connection. So this is just when you yourself make a phone call or send SMS. Incoming phone calls or SMS work on both SIM cards. So whenever somebody is sending you an SMS, for example, to any of the SIM cards, you get it. So they work in parallel. The only thing that doesn't work in parallel, where you really have to select your SIM card, is the 3G connection. So which is basically down here. So you can select which SIM card should be used for the 3G connection. So if, for example, if I choose the other one that I'm not using at the moment, it actually tells me and asks me if I want to enable the 3G service for this SIM card. So this takes maybe like 20 seconds to set that up then. But it's pretty straightforward in the end. It's nothing special with it. But I thought I'd go and show you, and I hope some people that don't know how you use dual SIM cards or phones, I hope they find it helpful. So sometimes you might ask, why would I need to do two SIM cards? There are a couple of reasons. For example, you have a work phone, and obviously you would have a private phone as well. So you could actually just put your private SIM card and your work SIM card in the phone here, and you just walk around with one phone instead of two. Another thing is, and that's what I use, I have two SIM cards which use two different networks. So you have basically better reception wherever you are, because you use two different networks. As well, in my case, I set up one SIM card primarily for making phone calls and sending SMS, and the other one for 3G. So this depends a little bit as well. Number one, of course, what you want to do, and as well what the providers, what offer providers have. So it might be that, for example, one provider is really cheap for making phone calls and SMS, and the other provider is really cheap for getting a data flat rate or something like this. So you could easily set that up here and get the best out of two worlds. So I hope this might help you, and maybe first understanding how dual SIM cards are set up if you've never done it before, or second, to give you some ideas how it would be helpful. So yeah, that's basically it already. I just thought I'd make a couple of small videos with things that people requested, kind of things in the comments of my other videos. So I hope you enjoyed that one, and I hope it helps you a little bit. So let me know if you have any other questions regarding dual SIM card management or something like this, and I hope I can answer it. Thanks.